Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for just tuning in to another video. And first and foremost, you guys, I want to say happy Sunday. This is a new week, so a new week of couponing deals, a new week of coupons, as well as just a new week of life. So for that alone, I am blessed and thankful. So today I'm coming to you guys with my Walgreens haul for the week of July 19th through the 25th. As well as I will be announcing another winner for that $25 Walgreens gift card, because the other winner did not claim her prize. So for that, I have to pick someone else. You guys, please remember to have your notification bells clicked, because you could be a winner and you could be missing out on some great prizes, some free money. So just always remember, you guys, to hit that notification bell down below. Now, I will be taking advantage of those boosters that we got. Check your household tab, because they may still be there if you haven't already clipped it. But the first scenario I'm going to get into is that 5 off of 12 coupon. So I'm going to be picking up some laundry this week. There's a lot of laundry on sale this week at Walgreens. So the first thing that I'm actually going to pick up is some Gain liquid detergent. It is priced this week at $4.99. And we currently have $2 off coupons. Now, it's the same thing for the pods as well, for the flings as well. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up one at $4.99, use that $2 off coupon, which is going to drop it down to $2.99. And we also have paper coupons, so if you wanted to buy more, you can use the digital as well as the paper coupons and get Gained for just $2.99. Next, I'm going to be picking up some Persil, because the Persil is also on sale this week for $4.99. And we do have a $2 off digital coupon, dropping it down to just $2.99. We also have $2 paper coupons if you wanted to pick up multiple ones at $2.99. So yes, I'm just going to grab one of these at $4.99 and then use that $2 off digital. So to complete this $12 scenario, what I'm going to be doing is picking up some plates. I'm going to be picking up some more Dixie plates. I do this deal every time it comes around, because the Dixie plates are on sale once again. Buy one, get one free. And then they're priced at just $3.99. So I'm going to be picking up 2 of these. It's going to total out to $3.99. And we do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon, which will make both of these just $2.99. So perfect time to just stock up on your plates. And then this will complete the first transaction. So for the first transaction, before coupons, my total comes out to $13.97. So that 5 off of 12 coupon is going to come off, the $2 off Gain, the $2 off Persil, as well as that the $1 off of 2 Dixie plates, which is going to drop my total down to $3.97 for all 4 products, or about 99 cents each. I will be using points in this deal. So after all my coupons and everything, my total is going to be $4.94. I'm going to use 4,000 points and then just pay 94 cents for all of these products, because remember, you can use points to pay taxes as well. Now for my 3 off of 15 scenario, the first thing I'm going to be picking up is some Simply Lemonade, because this week it is on sale for $1.99. I feel like this is a really good price for this lemonade. Not to mention, we love this stuff at our house. So I'm going to be picking up one of these at $1.99. No coupon, but like I said, a really good price. Next, I'm going to be getting some Gillette razors. So this week, the Gillette razors are on sale for $7.99. It's not tagged, but when you buy one, you will get a $3 registry reward. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be picking up one of these at $7.99. And we currently have a $3 off digital, which will knock it down to just $4.99. Now, this is the one I'm going to get, because this is the one that is pictured. And I don't want to have any issues where if it doesn't print out and they say, oh, whatever. No. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get one of these, $7.99, use that $3 off digital, and then get back a $3 register reward. And then to finish off this transaction, I'm going to move down to the deodorant. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be picking up some Mitchum Deodorant, because this week, whenever I find it, but this week the Mitchum Deodorant is on sale for $2.99. And when you buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Now, where the crap is this stuff? Okay. So yes, they're priced at $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get back a 3,000 points. So picking up 2 would total out to $5.98. we do have a $1 off digital, and I think there's a $1 off paper coupon as well. So with both of those coupons, it's going to bring it down to $3.98, and then I'm going to get back 3,000 points, making it 98 cents for both, or just what, like 24 cents each. So yeah, let me pick up, oh, I'm dropping stuff. So let me pick up 2 of these, and then I'm gonna put them in my cart, and then this will complete my 3 off of 15 scenario. So before coupons, my total comes out to $15.96. So that 3 off of 15 coupon is gonna come off, that $3 Gillette coupon is gonna come off, as well as that $1 off digital. And like I said, I think it's a $1 off coupon that just came out in this week inserts. I have to look, but that's going to drop my total down to $7.96. Get back a $3 register reward, as well as 3,000 points, making everything just $1.96, or about 49 cents each. So I feel like that's good, you guys. And then I'm just going to be using that $3 register reward from the Gillette until my 5 off of 15 scenario to lower that one out of pocket. So yes, let's just move on to that. So for my 5 off of 15 scenario, I'm going to be getting some more laundry, because like I said, there's a lot of laundry on sale this week at Walgreens. So I'm going to be doing the Tide deal, because this week they're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward. Now we do have a $2 off coupons for the liquid as well as the pods. So you could clip both of those and just pick up one more, and then use a paper coupon of either one to lower your out of pocket. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using 2 paper coupons, and I've only clipped one of the digitals. That way I'm gonna use that other digital for another transaction, because I know I'm going to do this deal again. So yeah, I clipped the Tide Pods digital coupon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be picking up 2 Tide Pods priced at $4.99. And then I'm going to be picking up one of the Tide liquids at $4.99. I'm going to use that $2 off coupon on the pods. And then I'm going to be using the paper coupons for the other 2. So I don't know which liquid I'm going to get. I don't know, you guys. I have so much Tide. But anyways, yeah, that's besides the point. So I'm going to pick up one of the Tide liquids at $4.99. And then, like I said, I'm going to be using 1 digital and 2 paper coupons. So that $2 off Tide Pods digital coupon, as well as this 2 off of Tide Pods paper, and the 2 off of liquid coupon. So all 3 of them is going to put me at $14.97. So I have to reach the $15 threshold for that coupon to come off. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go find me a filler item to pair into this transaction. That way this will complete my 5 off of 15 scenario. So for my filler item, I was looking in the stationery section, and I was gonna pick up one of those highlighters priced at 29 cents, but this store doesn't carry any of them. They don't carry the highlighters. I even looked up here, they have another little stationery section up there, but they don't carry any of those. So instead, I'm over here in their clearance section, which is really small, just looking for something that's really cheap. And I did find this little graduation Mickey Mouse. Now I picked this up at another store before, and it was only 59 cents. So I'm hoping it's 59 cents here as well. So just a little easy little filler item, just in case you want to use filler items. You can use the 90% the clearance items, as well as little highlighters and little stuff. Anything that's cheap, that'll be a good filler item. So yes, I'm just gonna throw this in my cart. And then this will complete my 5 off of 15 scenario. So now I'm just going to show you everything and do like a quick little rundown. So before coupons, my total is going to come out to $15.56. So that 5 off of 15 coupon will attach. Then I'm just going to be using some Tide coupons. So I will be using that $2 off of Tide Pods digital, as well as some Tide paper coupons. So this 2 off of Tide Pods, as well as this 2 off of Tide liquid. So that's going to bring my total down to $4.26. Get back a $5 register reward, which is going to make it free, plus 44-cent moneymaker. But I almost forgot that I said that I was going to use that $3 register reward from my previous transaction. So I'm going to use that $3 register reward. It shouldn't have any problems attaching to this Mickey Mouse. So that's going to be an additional $3 in savings, which is going to bring my total down to $1.26. Get back a $5 rush reward, making it free plus a $3.44 moneymaker. So yes, I'm just excited. I love getting laundry at super cheap prices. But yeah, and then the $5 rush reward, I will be turning it into my 5 off of 20 scenario. So for my 5 off of 20 scenario, I'm going to be picking up some Love Beauty and Planet deodorant. This week it is on sale, buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 4, you get 4,000 points. So 2 of them, they're priced at $8.99. So 2 of them will be priced at $8.99, and then the other 2 will be priced at $4.49. Now this will total out to $26.97. So after that 5 off of 20 scenario, that 5 off of 20 coupon, and then I have 2 4 off of 2 Love Beauty and Planet coupons, which is an additional $8 in savings. So that will bring me down to $13.97, and then you'll get back 4,000 points, as well as Checkout 51 is giving back $2 for each deodorant. So picking up 4, that's a total of $8 from Checkout 51, which is a total of $12, making everything $1, making all 4 $1.97 or 49 cents each. And I could add a filler item and use that 5 off of that $5 rush reward from the last one. So right now I'm just going to be picking up 4 of these, and then that will complete my 5 off of 20 scenario. Well, okay, you guys, so this store only has 2, and so there's no point of doing this deal because I need 4. So I'm gonna put all 4. I'm gonna put both of these back, and then I guess I won't be doing a 5 off of 20 scenario today. So that completes everything. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. So now I'm just gonna head up to the front, you guys, and check out with my other 3 transactions, and then I'll debrief in the cart. Okay, I'm back in the cart. So I did try to go to another Walgreens just to see if they had the Love Beauty and Planet deodorant, and that store only had 2 bars or containers of deodorant as well. So I couldn't do the deal, but so I still have that 5 off of 20 booster on that account. So what I'm gonna do is sometime throughout the week, I'm probably gonna pop back up and see if they have it, and then if they do, that's when I'll do the deal. So it's still a really good deal, and I definitely want to do it. But now I'm just gonna go over the receipts. All the other 3 they were pretty good. So the first one, no issues whatsoever. This one was the 5 off of 12 scenario. So I got the Dixie plates, the Gain, and then the Persil. So before coupons, my total came out to $13.97. And then all the coupons came off. 5 off 12, the $2 Gain, $2 Persil, and then $1 off Dixie. So my total was $3.97. Now with tax, my total came out to $4.60. So what I did is I used 4,000 points, and then I just paid 60 cents. So really good little transaction, you guys, especially if you have points, because a lot of these deals you can use points, so you'll be paying a really low out of pocket for a lot of these deals. But yes, first receipt done, 60 cents. Can't complain there, you guys. Way to start off my morning. So then the next one, this one. So then the next one was the 3 off of 15 scenario. So on this one, I picked up the 2 Mitchum deodorants, the Gillette disposable razors, as well as the lemonade. So before coupons, my total came out to $15.96. And then I had that 3 off of 15 coupon, the $3 off of Mitchum coupon. And I don't know why I thought that there were $1 off Mitchum coupons, like paper coupons. I don't know, because when I looked in my insert, when I got to the register, there was no $1 off Mitchum coupon. So my total is actually $1 higher than I calculated. So instead of $7.96, it came out to $8.96. Now with this one, I did pay cash because I was hoping to get a booster, one of those spin boosters, the spin 20, get 5,000 point boosters, to use in my 5 off of 20 scenario with that Love Beauty and Planet, because since that transaction is so high, I wanted to try to, I don't know, I was just hoping that I get a booster. And it seems like I only get boosters when I pay when I pay in cash and not using points. Is that how it is with you guys too? Let me know in the comment section below if do you guys get boosters all the time, or when you only spend cash, or what? I just want to know. That way I have a better, you know, understanding. Then, oh yeah, but I did get my, I'm all over the place. So I paid $8.96, and then I did get my $3 registry reward for spending the Gillette, for buying the Gillette, as well as 3,000 points for the Mitchum deal. So that makes everything, what, $2.96, which is not bad. Not bad at all. So, yeah. So then that $3 registry reward, I actually rolled it into this transaction. So for transaction 3, this was my 5 off of 15 coupon. So I did the Tide scenario, well, the Tide deal where they're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. So I picked up 2 pods and a liquid, and then that only put me at like $14.97. So I needed to get over the $15 mark. So in the video, you guys saw that I picked up that Mickey Mouse thing because I thought it was on clearance. It wasn't. So at one store, it's on clearance for 59 cents. At that store, my total, that thing was $5.99. So of course, no, we had to redo that whole little thing over. So instead, I picked up one of the lollipops at the front, which was 59 cents. So it was literally the same price as the Mickey Mouse of what I wanted it to be. So there's that. But anyways, so then my 5 off of 15 came off. All 3 of my Tide coupons, the 2 pods and the liquid. And then I rolled that $3 registry reward from my previous transaction into this one. So that brought my total down to $1.56. So once again, since it was really low out of pocket, now I could have used, since including tax, my total came out to $2.30. I could have used 2,000 points and just paid 30 cents. But like I said before, I was really trying to get a spin booster. So I paid cash as in this one as well. So then I just paid the $2.30. And I did get my registry reward back. And look at this, you guys. So the girl had to put in some more paper. She put the paper in backwards. Yep, she did. So they said it should scan no problem moving forward. And they said worst case scenario, if it doesn't, they can always type it in. So I will be using this one. I will be using this this Catalina into my Love Beauty and Planet scenario because I really wanted to do it. I mean, it's a good transaction. But yes, that's everything for today, you guys. And also remember, you know, to congratulate the winner. You guys, please have your notification, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below, because when I do giveaways, if you're a winner, I know you guys want to claim the prize. I mean, it's money. Sometimes later down the line, it may not just be money, but whatever it is, it's still free. And it's a thank you, you guys, from me to you guys. So I do want you guys to claim your stuff. So this winner has until Wednesday. Contact me. My email is in the description box. Please email me. That way I can give you your $25 gift card. If not, then I'll just probably have to do a whole nother little giveaway or something. I don't know. I just want to give it. I have a gift card. I don't want to use it. I want to gift it. So help me help you, you guys. But that's all I have in this video. Check out tomorrow. I will be doing another Walgreens haul on my other account, doing completely different type of transactions, switching it up a little bit. So because that account has different coupons than what this account had. So I think that one's going to be a really good out-of-pocket thing as well. So yeah, and I don't know if I mentioned that this one was free, plus a $3 and what, 44-cent moneymaker, the Tide one, because I did get back my $5 gift card, my $5 registry reward. But anyways, I'm all over the place, you guys. It's hot in this car and I'm ready to go inside because I am outside the house. But that's all I have, you guys. Thank you guys so much for just tuning in to another video. Until next time, you guys, bye.